How to turn off FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on FaceTime. You are now in the FaceTime settings page, where you can manage your caller ID, notifications, and other call preferences. At the bottom of this screen, you will find the main toggle switch that controls the entire FaceTime service. To turn off FaceTime completely, simply tap on this toggle. This indicates that FaceTime is now disabled on your device and you will no longer be reachable for FaceTime video or audio calls until this setting is turned back on. Following these steps, you can easily turn off FaceTime on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.